We'll guide you through how to access Claude AI for free. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Claude AI website. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, which is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on it to begin the registration process. You'll need to enter some basic information like your name, email address, and create a password. Make sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure. After filling out the necessary fields, you'll probably have to agree to the terms and conditions, so give those a quick read and check the box if you agree. Then, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to continue. You might receive a verification email in your inbox, so head over to your email and look for a message from Claude AI. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, you can log into Claude AI using your new credentials. Now that you're logged in, you should have access to the free features offered by Claude AI. Take some time to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with the tools and options available. If you're new to AI platforms, there might be tutorials or help sections that can guide you through using the software effectively. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.